Welcome children to our maths class, and today the chapter which we are going to see is Understanding Elementary Shapes, chapter number 5. We in this chapter are not going to just learn about lines, angles conceptually. We are also going to study about the instruments found in the geometry box, how they are going to be helpful to us while drawing these different elementary shapes. Children, all the shapes we see around us are formed using curves or lines. We can see corners, edges, planes, open curves and closed curves in our surroundings. We organize them into line segments, angles, triangles, polygons and circles. These words which you have come across right now, line segments, angles, triangles, polygons and circles. These are the geometrical figures we are going to talk about in this chapter, and we find that they have different sizes and measures. So let's now try to develop tools to compare their size. So as I told you earlier, we are going to talk about the geometrical patterns. At the same, we are going to study about the tools or the geometrical instruments which we are going to use to measure these measurable figures. Okay, so first we start with measuring line segment. As we all know, a line segment is a fixed portion of a line. Line cannot be measured, but a line segment can be measured because it has two endpoints. This makes it possible to measure a line segment, and this measure of each line segment is a unique number which is called its length. So the measurement of the line segment is considered to be length of the line segment. Now if two line segments are drawn side by side, and if you are asked to tell or compare both the line segment and tell whether they are of same length or not, then sometimes if marginal difference is there in their measurement, we feel that the line segments are of same length just by looking at a glance. But if we compare it with other things, like if we compare the length of both the line segments with tracing paper or with thread, then we can make out that both the line segments are of different length. And the best way of comparing the length of the line segment we are going to talk about is using ruler and divider. Ruler is the scale which we use to draw lines or measure line segment. You can see gradings. It's a small ruler with 15 centimeter gradings, and in inches it is 7 inches. Okay, it's a small ruler which can be fit in geometry box and can be carried easily in your school bag. And this is the picture of divider. This is not compass, but this is divider, where you can see both the hands or both the arms of the divider has pointed needle. Okay, so using this divider and ruler, you can compare the length of two different line segments. You can see here a line segment AB is taken, right, and you are asked to measure the length of the line segment. The divider, both the points of the divider arm is set on both the ends of the line segment, and then with that same position of the divider it is placed on the ruler, and then place one point of the divider on 0 and just check where the other point of the divider points on the ruler, and here you can see it's on 5. That means 0 to 5, that is equal to 5 centimeter. How many centimeter is the length of AB? AB is 5 centimeter, and you can see 10 small gradings or lines between 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So every centimeter or 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, millimeter is smaller unit in comparison to centimeter. 10 lines, each line represents 1 millimeter, and 10 such lines makes 1 centimeter. Understood? So suppose if this pointer would have pointed 2 more smaller lines after 5, then how would you have read it? You should read it like that, 5.2. The millimeters come after the decimal point. Okay? So this is how we can measure the length of line segment using divider and a ruler. Now we'll talk about angles, right and straight. To understand this right angle or straight angle, in this chapter we are going to use the clock that will teach you what is exactly right angle, straight angle, and it is going to be a game learning this.